Hello there. Well, I'm going to run my GG1 today, along with a consist from Southern Pacific, Union Pacific's SD70s with the Southern Pacific livery on it. So we're going to start up the 4876 GG1 here and see how it works. We're going to change directions. Push tower column.
NC4876, you are cleared outbound. You may proceed. Over.
Yes, sir. We are clear to depart. Over. NC4876 here. We're ready to roll. Over.
Pennsylvania 4876, you are cleared outbound. Take the green. Over.
Train in motion. We're outbound. Over.
Roger that. Over.
Looks like we got a caboose on the track. We're going to push it around. Somebody left a caboose on the track. Wow. We're going to have to push it all the way to the siding. There's a caboose siding over here. Yeah, let's bring it over there. Okay. Conductor on the caboose is really upset that his train left him behind. He said he should be on the back of yours. But I don't know. We haven't had a caboose there for a while. Well, that says what he says. Okay. We're going to take it off over here. Okay. Going to have the large pickup hand out to pick it off. Okay. We're good with that. There we go. Got it out of the way. Good show. We're off. We'll sit down here on the track. It's unoccupied. Okay. We got a bad switch there, or something. Something didn't like that, did it? Not sure what that's all about. Me neither. Now let's put some speed into it and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Throttle up. Throttle up. Wonder if we have a bad switch down here. Somebody better check. Okay, I'm going to check. What do we got? Oh, I can see one's a little bit of an issue. There we are. It was right down here. Okay, well, I'm glad we found that. Okay. Start it up again. Okay, starting up. Okay, throttle up. Throttle up. That's better. No problems on that switch now. Need to get a new switch, man. Well, we're running good. We'll go see if we can get the Southern Pacific, Union Pacific up. Oh, looks like he woke up. Okay, let him up, move him out. Oh, I got a car off the track somewhere. Okay, let's see what happened. Who went off the track where? Oh, I see it. It might be back here. Yep. Okay, we'll try it again. Okay, try it again. So, Southern Pacific. Is there still a car off the track? No, seems to be all right. Well, let's see what's going on then. What's up, engine 19? Are you on a switch and not picking up the proper stuff? That seems to be the problem. Okay. Let's hope that was the problem. Okay. Seems to have been. Okay. There we go. I had one of those cars on that trains before that causes issues. Hopefully it's not the same one, but it probably is. I think it's that tank car. Got a new car on there. Yeah. A bunch of ore cars. It's quite to consist. It is. Where'd you get the new car? Oh, it's a new pickup. Algoma Central had the gondola for sale, and we found a tank that needed to be put on it. Oh, is that what happened? Yeah. We'll have to get rid of that Algoma Central logo on that gondola. Oh, it's okay. Everybody runs different numbers on their cars. Don't worry about it. Liveries all over the place. No, we're not stopping. Sorry. Find us another route. Oh, thank you. See, I told you.
Roger that. that. Train is clear to move. 1996 out.
Hey, somebody forgot to tell the guys in the Pennsylvania GG1 they can head up again. Okay, we'll call them.
Pacific 1996.
Oh, talking to the wrong people here. Okay.
Yep, train is clear to move. 1996 out.
Oh, there he goes. He's awake. Okay, we'll talk to him.
Pennsylvania 4876. You may proceed. Over.
Yes, sir. We are clear to depart. Over.
Throttle up. There we go.
Pennsylvania 4876 here. Train in motion. We're outbound. Over.
I copy that. Over and out.
There we go. We're to climb that short. Oh, I don't know. Maybe we're not. Wow. Need a helper on that train, do we? Wow. Didn't know that. Guess we'll have to back down. Very carefully. Careful you don't derail. Oh, I'm being careful. Stand by. We're going to switch tracks here. We'll have to get the switch man out to make sure the tracks switch right. I know. Let's do it. There we go. Okay. Let's run that train ahead again. All right, let's go. Head them up, move them out. We're going. We're pulling. Straight ahead. Okay, straight ahead. You better throttle her up a little bit. That's a bit of a hill at the back there, too. Yeah, I know. It's not too bad. Okay. Looks like you're going to have to come around and back down. Okay. Pennsylvania 76, yeah. Come ahead. We're coming. Again, we have a trouble with a switch. Oh, I see that. We'll go down there and see if we can solve that problem again. Don't know what it is. I mean, I know what it is, but I don't know why it is. Happens. Just when the GG1 goes over that one slowly. Yeah, it partially throws that switch. I must find out why. I don't think it did it that time. It only does it when it's going real slow. Okay, well, we'll have to keep the engine speed up then. Okay. I didn't throw the switch. It blinked it, but I didn't throw it. I guess it's okay. Pennsylvania 4876. Have a good trip. Okay, thank you. Bye for now. Bye now. We let her come by and bring her to a halt. Thank you. Bye now.